Hey everyone, welcome to Macube Official. If you've noticed your beloved Mac isn't running as smoothly as it used to, you're not alone. Today I'm diving into 5 clear signs that it's time to give your Mac a good cleanup. 5 signs your Mac needs cleaning. First up, if your Mac takes forever to boot up or load applications, that's sign number 1. Over time, our Macs can get bogged down with unnecessary files and applications that eat up processing power. Next, are you seeing the spinning wheel of doom more often? That colorful spinning wheel isn't just there to decorate your screen. It screams that your Mac is struggling to handle tasks it once breezed through. Third on our list is overheating. If your Mac feels like it might double as a stovetop, it's a sign that dust and dirt might be clogging its vents, restricting airflow and causing your processor to work harder. Fourth, unusual noises. If your Mac is making more noise than a coffee grinder, it's high time to clean the dust out of the fans and check for other internal debris. And finally, decreased storage space. If your storage seems to disappear faster than socks in a laundry room, it's probably cluttered with old files and applications you no longer use. Now, how do we tackle these issues? One of my favorite tools is the Macube Cleaner. It's a fantastic app that helps you quickly and effectively clear out with just a few clicks. It's designed to easily locate and clear out caches, large and old files, unnecessary applications, and more. Some of its unique features include a duplicate finder, similar image finder and file shredder, etc. Using Macube is a breeze. Just download and launch the app, then hit the all-in-one function called Smart Scan button. Click Scan. Now Macube will automatically detect your junk files, large and old files, and duplicate files at once. Select which one you want to delete and then allow you to remove them with just a click. Clear Mac space via System Setting. Click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen. Select and then select Storage. macOS will display a colored bar indicating how storage is being used. Below the bar, you'll find a list of recommendations to optimize storage, such as optimize storage, store in iCloud, empty the trash, and reduce clutter. Choose to store files, photos, and videos in iCloud, making them available on demand while saving space on your Mac. Enable this feature to have items in the trash automatically erased after 30 days. Review and delete large files, duplicates, or files you no longer need. So not only does cleaning your Mac improve its performance, but it also extends its life, ensuring your Mac runs smoothly for years to come. Have you tried cleaning your Mac lately? Drop your experiences and any questions down below. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.